how to share notes to Instagram Reels and posts. So like this is the new feature that Instagram has recently added. So simply for that you will have to firstly open the Instagram app. So simply you have to log in with your account, and from here you will have to choose the desired video whom you want to add notes on that. So simply I am choosing this video. So on this video, to share notes you will have to simply click on the share icon. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to scroll down at the bottom and find the options like add notes. So simply you can find it from here. So simply tap on this add note option, and from here you can add notes on this video. So I will add super. So after this you will have to click on the share option. Alright, so as you can see, the super text notes has been added to this Instagram Reels. So likewise you can also share the notes to Instagram Reels or posts. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries or arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.